Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be giving you guys the perfect lightweight no makeup look, the perfect everyday makeup routine. If you're like me, you don't really like wearing like a lot of makeup, but you want like that little enhancement, and I think this is the perfect little makeup routine for that. So for all my girlies who have been like searching, I got y'all. Like everybody else, I start off by really moisturizing my face, but because I haven't been able to find a really good primer that I like that fits my skin really well, I kind of over moisturize, and that's why you guys see so many products. So here you can see me starting off at the ends of my eyebrow, and then as I'm going on, I start to work towards the inner part. That is because the ends of your eyebrows are the part that can be the darkest, so you always want to start there and kind of like work your way up. I use a Q-tip to clean up my eyebrows. I have one side of it that's wet and the other side that's dry. This makes it easier to clean up and also blend with the dry side. I use my fingers to put my foundation on my face. I feel like whenever I use a brush or beauty blender, kind of gets lost in that it doesn't actually get on my face. Next, you're going to see me use a beauty blender to kind of just blend it all out. I use a beauty blender with a pointy side and a flat side to blend my foundation. So these are both concealers, but I do use the eraser as my contour. I apply both of them at the same time, starting with the concealer on my under eye, my chin, my forehead, and my nose. I go in with the contour just around my face. The eraser is so smooth and blends so well. And I go in with a different beauty blender, one pointy side and one rounded side. The pointy side is great for getting under my eye, and then the round side is just really good for dabbing all of that contour and blending it out. Because I have lashes on, it was really hard to get under my eyes, so I went ahead and used a mini beauty blender to really help blend it out. This mini blush is actually part of a limited edition pack that me and my sister got. The whole set pack of 4 was $34. It's the day